What's up guys, welcome back to another video about the Lumix S5. So here I have it. I just received it. I'm just so excited. I don't know. I'm gonna try and open it up, check it what's inside, and yep, see how it goes. So here we have the Lumix S5. I'm gonna try and open it up. Alright, so in the box we all know that sometimes they have the manuals and stuff, which this one have 5. I don't get it why they would put just 5 manuals. Or maybe it's in a different language or anything. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Where's the buddy? This must be here. Let's get the body first. I want to drop it. And just it's so amazing. It's just perfect. So this the grip is alright. I like it. God, I don't know. Oh, I never get enough of. Just, it's a little bit heavy, and it's cold. Okay, so we got the camera here. And this is the lens. This is the kit lens. It's like 20 to 60. I wasn't really trying to make unboxing, but anyway, since I started, then I gotta try and end it. I'll get one battery. Yeah, I have 2 batteries. The charger, like one European, one what? Yeah, the 2. Anyway, 2 batteries, chargers, and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm gonna try this battery first. This is the cable. And I also got the content creator kit. Oh, let's open this up. cable to connect it. Bag. And that, whatever you call that. And I'm just trying to clean this up. Anyway. So awesome. It's a huge sensor. My God. So here we go. They're back together. Alright, so I'm gonna try and put the battery on. Just like so. And, yep. Okay, so this is gonna be like this because I don't have the memory card, but let's take this out, the cap or whatever, and yep. So anyway guys, this is my Panasonic So anyway guys, this is my Panasonic Lumix S5. I'm sure I'm not doing it right, but anyway. Here is my beast. I don't have an SD card right now because they forgot to put it. So they're gonna deliver it another day, so I cannot test it right now. It feels like perfect, you know. It's just such an amazing camera. It's just I don't know. I just so love it. But I don't see myself vlogging with it. Oh my God, it's just so amazing. Where is this one? Wait a minute. I gotta try because I got this one here. I'm gonna try it and mount this one. Just so I can use it like... I think that's why they give this. So it's for the content creators. Yeah. Hi, what's up? I'm just, you know, it's a new toy. When I get the chance, I'm gonna go outside, but not today though, because it's really raining, and I don't know if it's like weatherproof, waterproof, whatever, but it's just, oh my god. What do you think, guys? Did I make any mistakes, or was it a good one? Comment below.